Login failed on ANZ Share Investing app fix. You open the ANZ Share Investing app eager to check your portfolio, but instead, you're hit with login failed. Don't worry, you're not alone. This problem is common among users, and it's usually very easy to fix once you know what to look for. Start by checking your internet connection. ANZ Share Investing requires a secure and stable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or toggle airplane mode to refresh your connection. A weak signal can easily trigger login errors. Next, ensure your app is updated. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search ANZ Share Investing, and tap Update if available. Outdated app versions can lose compatibility with the platform's latest security updates. Then, recheck your credentials. Type your client ID and password manually instead of using autofill. It's easy for stored data to be outdated or incorrect, especially if you've recently changed your login. If needed, tap Forgot Password to reset it securely. Till stuck? Clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps and Share Investing Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove temporary corrupted files. Here's something most users overlook: disable your PIN. And security may block logins from masked or international IP addresses to protect your account. Turning off your PIN often fixes the issue immediately. If nothing works, try logging in through the ANZ Share Investing website. If that also fails, it might be a temporary outage or scheduled maintenance. So when your ANZ Share Investing app says login failed, don't panic. These issues are usually small and easy to fix. Check your internet, update the app, re-enter your credentials, clear your cache, and turn off your PIN. Follow these steps, and you'll be back to tracking your portfolio and trading with confidence in just a few minutes.